Hi, I am Leslie from Day Furs. On this video, we're going to go over the deep conditioning process. The first step to the process is that we do a thorough inspection of your garment. The next step is to actually get the deep conditioning product onto the fur itself. The deep conditioning does not clean your garment at all, and that's why we recommend on the alternate year cleaning and glazing. Deep conditioning just conditions the fur and the skin. It is an all-natural, plant-based product that we will spray, and then we're going to use a brush to really brush it deep within the fur. Then the next step will be that we just leave this on and let it sit and dry on the fur. Our next step is going to be to use our commercial grade fur steamer, and this is a very specialty steamer made specifically for the fur industry, and we're going to go completely over the garment from top to bottom with the steamer. And as you can see, that really separated all of the hairs and got the deep conditioner deep within the fur and all the way to the skin to really penetrate through. So we will let this dry, and then our final step will be to brush it out one final time and put it into storage, and it'll be all ready for the next season.